Hi and welcome to this easy Joomla guide tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to cover content management, articles, categories and media in the Joomla content management system. Now Joomla is one of a class of information systems called content management systems, and in particular the Joomla system was originally designed with the newspaper paradigm in mind. Its core content items are called articles, and these can be organized into categories, which themselves can be further organized into categories. So categories and subcategories. All of these things are accessed from the content menu. There's no limit on the number of categories that you can nest inside other categories in Joomla, though you shouldn't really need to nest further than 5 or 6 levels, otherwise the management of it from a human perspective is going to be quite difficult. In addition to articles and categories, Joomla also supports various media types. The most common media types you'll use are images to illustrate your articles. The Media Manager also supports uploading of things like PDFs, PowerPoint files, word processor files, spreadsheets and other things that you might want to link to in the articles. The set of file type you're allowed to upload can be adjusted here in the legal extensions area of the Media Options button. So next we're going to talk through using the Articles Manager. The Articles Manager is accessed by going through Content, Articles. And this lists all the articles available in the system. To edit existing articles, change their categories, or change other attributes, you click through the article title in this view. In the Articles Manager view, you can also perform some actions in bulk by selecting one or more articles using the checkboxes on the left here. And then using these set of buttons here. You can trash them in bulk, check them in, make them featured, publish, unpublish, that sort of thing. On this screen you can also filter your view using the button Search Tools to display the filter set. So this can be quite useful to limit the number of articles you're viewing to a single category, for example. To add a new article, we start by clicking the button New in the Article Manager area. This takes you to the New Article screen. You can also navigate here more directly by using Content, Articles, Add New Article. Enter your article title here in the title field. The article alias will be automatically generated from this title when you hit Save. Now the alias is used to form part of the page URL, the address that appears in the address bar when this article is navigated to. The default behavior of the system is to take the title, make it all lowercase, and remove any special characters and spaces and replace them with a dash. You can customize this alias after the fact if you like, which can prove to be a useful search engine optimization technique. Next, you can select a category for your article from the drop-down on the right-hand side here, where the other article attributes are also located. You can add article text to the main content area using this What You See Is What You Get or WYSIWYG content editor, and then format it to your liking. So I'm going to make this list into a bulleted list or a numbered list. Both of the options are here. And I'm going to make this subtitle slightly larger. Let's see what we have here. Make it a heading 3. So keyboard shortcuts also work. So instead of hitting the bold button here, I can do Control and B, and that will make it bold. Or for italic, Control and I. The same kind of shortcuts you're used to with your word processor will work here. It can be useful to click the Save button as you go along. And the buttons here behave as follows. The Save button will save the current article and return you to this article page. The Save and Close button will save it and bring you back to the Article Manager page. And the Save and New button saves the current article and brings you to a new article editor. The Save as Copy button saves the current article as a new unpublished article, and it'll put a little number into the title. The Versions button will bring you to the versioning management area. And the Close button simply closes it without saving and brings you back to the article manager screen. Both the Save as Copy and Versions buttons only will appear after you've saved a new article for the first time. And so that's a quick introduction to the content management features of Joomla. In subsequent tutorials, we'll talk through categories, some more detail on content editing itself with the WYSIWYG editor, and other content management features of the Joomla system. So thank you again for watching this Easy Joomla Guide tutorial.